Hello, and welcome to Wumble's Hive. It's the 21st of Archie's Countdown to Christmas. So, Lametta, I had a little Google after I'd videoed. I probably should have done that beforehand. It's the tinsel that comes in a stripe with all the dangly bits coming down like that. So when there's a little waft or a little draft coming through it, I did not know that were called lametta, but Google knows. I'll move that before we set everything on fire. Right, so that is the gorgeous blue. And hopefully you can see all the multi-glitters in there. Loads of different colours. Nicely spaced out in the paint. And that is gorgeous, guys. See if I can get a bit more light. See those colours? There you go. Right, let's bring back the candle. We like a bit of candle. So, bubbly. Assuming that bubbly is champagne, I would imagine... Oh, there it is. Dropped right out on us. I would imagine this is going to be a light gold colour. Do you think so? Or do you think I've misinterpreted? So we've got the little gingerbread dudes on the back there. Getting all of her excited and not telling you what washi tape we've got. Shocking. It's like I'm not a professional. Right, what colour do you guys think it is? Do you think I'm right? Do you think I'm wrong? It is. It's a really, really light gold colour. Looks like it's got iridescent sheen. So let's get this activated. It took me 3 washes to get that blue out yesterday. It was still coating the bottom of the glass water pot. That is some strong paint. It is really, I mean, I'm not having a go, but it was much more translucent the first time I did this. Now, whether that were me or the paint, I don't know, but over time, over the last few years, this quality has been getting higher and higher, and this paint is fantastic. I can't wait to think of things to do with it. Maybe if you guys remind me, maybe I'll make some Christmas cards with it that you can grab over on Etsy next year. My goodness, this is a shiny paint. That's not even dry and it's well shiny. Are you ready for the swirl? So pretty. Right. So, see what you can see. But you can see there it's a very light gold colour. And it seems like there's a huge amount of shine in this one. So I think this might be a super shiny, like Nordic. So I will show you that tomorrow. Let me know if you're all ready now, because I've still got wrapping to do. I've still got food shopping to do. Where are you guys up to in your preparation? And what else do you think about that? Find something that makes you smile. And as always, be happy.